Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video we are going to explore the Antidetect browser Lauth. Let's start the review and look at its functionality. Lauth is an anti-detect browser created for tasks in areas such as arbitrage, web scraping, SMM management, targeted advertising, and any other fields where operating multiple accounts on one device with minimal risk of blocking is required. The platform is based on the Chromium engine, supports a wide range of extensions and features typical for Chrome and other popular browsers. Lauth allows working with various types of proxies, HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS, which enables hiding your real IP address and bypassing geographic restrictions. 4G support provides realistic simulation of regular users' behavior and reliable masking of online activity. The application saves the history of visited sites, performed queries, and settings changes, allowing you to analyze internet activity and return to previous actions if necessary. The password manager simplifies logging into accounts, allowing you to save complex and unique passwords, share them with other users, or transfer them to other devices. Now let's talk about the pricing plans. By the way, a free 7-day trial period is available, which requires registration and phone number verification only. Starter is the lightest plan and it costs $17.10 per month. It allows you to create up to 10 browser profiles, supports synchronization across multiple devices, encrypted storage in Google Cloud, and an unlimited number of digital fingerprints. Premium one is $51.30 per month, suitable for growing businesses. Includes up to 50 profiles, a team workspace for collaborative work, and all necessary tools for efficient project management. Plus is a more advanced plan with a price of $87.30 per month. Available up to 300 profiles, 10 team workspaces, and all the features of the premium plan, plus the ability to monitor team actions in real time. The last one available is the Max, for $177.30 per month. Includes up to 1,000 profiles, 20 team workspaces, and full access to all technical capabilities of the browser. The browser also offers discounts of up to 40% for long-term subscriptions. Let's launch the browser and look at its interface. On the main page, you can switch between browser profiles and go online. To perform bulk actions with profiles, press the 3-bar icon above the list and select the required account. The My Account tab contains personal user data including name, login, password, phone, number, and address. All contact details can be changed by editing the appropriate field. The Profile Information tab opens when creating a new profile or in the appropriate section. Here you can view and change the profile name, target platform, group, proxy, fingerprint settings, cookies, browsing history, and installed extensions. The Manage Team section allows you to create teams for collaborative work in Lauth and invite participants. You can set the team name and configure its display. In Premium Plus and higher plans, real-time team activity tracking is available. The Proxy and Connections tab contains a list of saved proxy servers where you can add a new connection. General settings allow you to choose the interface language, theme, enable tab synchronization, clear the cache, and configure image and video downloads when working with profiles. In the Manage Subscriptions section, there is information about the current tariff. Here you can update or upgrade your subscription and get discounts. The Support tab includes a knowledge base with instructions on how to use the browser and answers to frequently asked questions. Contact details for support services are available via email and chat at the bottom of the page. To create a new profile, press Add New on the main page of the application and select New Profile. Specify the account name, tag, and icon color. Choose the target platform and group. Add the operating system and, if necessary, import cookies. Instructions for setting up a proxy can be found by annotation on the screen. After completing all settings, press Start My New Profile. To change profile settings, press the 3 dots to the right of its name. In the Proxy and Connections section, you can link a proxy server. To configure the profile fingerprint, go to Device Parameters. Here you can set the operating system, browser, and start page. Additional digital fingerprint options are available in the Advanced Settings section. In In the Manage Cookies tab, you can import cookies or completely clear the browser cache from the current profile, device, or cloud storage. The Browsing History section allows you to delete the cache and internet activity history, but these functions become available only after the first profile launch. In the Add-ons tab, you can add annotations to the profile, after which save them in the Profile Information section. Based on today's review, it can be concluded that Lauth offers flexible digital fingerprint settings, proxy integration, and support for bulk actions with profiles, cookies, and data. The interface combines an intuitive design and advanced features, making it an optimal solution for those looking for a modern tool at an affordable price. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.